I'll do another little update video here. Today I want to run the rack steering. I don't want to flip the spindles because then, from what I hear, the angles are off from the ball joint to the tie rod end. So I'm going to try to keep it rear steer with the rack. So to do that, I'm going to run factory front sunk pan, and you can see there I've notched it and plated it back in, and then I had to notch the K member a little bit, which I'll box that back in with plate and weld that in. I kind of got it sitting here. I got to trim some more over here, a little tight, touching there. Then if I have to, I'll run a brace. Get down here. Once all said and done, I might run a brace from here and around the back of the pan here just to strengthen the K member up. And then I cut these fins. These gussets used to come down. I got those out of the way, so I got room for my rack. The idea with the rack here, I get my skinny ass out of here. So the rack, I got this SGI rack from a Mustang 2 or Pinto, and I've mounted it to this plate. Built a little bracket there. It's got a bolt hole, then a standoff here with the bolt holes. So the idea is to cut this back, maybe angle up, and then I have two plates that will bolt to the inner frame rails, and I'll tuck the center part as close as I can to the oil pan. I might even end up drawing this down closer to the bar here, so the oil pan will actually sit in there so I can get the rack up. Right now the rack would be flush with the bottom of the sump, so the pan would get taken out if it hit something. It don't hang that much lower than the K member, but I don't know. These are all just thoughts right now. I'm trying to save $1 and make as much as I can, so I don't have the money to go buy all this stuff.